Naunahan nyo na nga ako sa national costume. Kayo I am just really grateful that people are appreciating our hard work and they're seeing that Filipina Queen are here. You know, the Filipina Queens are seen, are valued, are appreciated. And I would just like to thank also CJ. Without the help of the previous MGI Filipina Queens, this wouldn't be possible. Last na siya nakiusap was, I think, Sweet. Pero he'll be coming na eh. He'll be coming. Naunahan nyo na nga ako sa national costume. Kayo Parang may ano pa, element of surprise.
Oh, sige, basta pasabog. Nonetheless, grand pa rin.
Ito na nga eh.
May pa-checkered si ano ngayon? Si Emma.
Emma challenge today.
Abang-abang muna, pero ang ganda ng stage. Grabe. Ang klase ang production ng this girl.
I will just be Emma. Yes, go Miss Ricky. Mag-book na ng ticket. Please. Si Diana Meneses manonood. She'll be coming.